Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to bust out a few box openings. I know I have a lot of follow-up reviews to do, but I had 3 different watchgang watches show up right now. I've got 1 watchgang black and 2 platinum membership watches this month. I believe this one is going to be the watchgang black membership watch, as it came first class. As you guys know, watchgang black is the $99 watchgang monthly subscription. Here we've got their monthly poster, newsletter. A lot of good info on that. I'll be taking a look at that a little bit later. And it looks like I got a Chronologia, which, if you guys remember in the past, I have gotten Chronologia before. Let's see what we've gotten this go around. All right. So it looks like we've got another carbon fiber case. Red dial, which I am a fan of red dials. They are a little bit harder to come by, it seems like. And some of my most commented on watches have red dials. Looks like we do have an automatic movement in this one. I know my first Chronologia was not an automatic movement. Not too bad. I don't know that much about this particular model. Tell you it is very lightweight because of that case. I think it's carbon fiber or some sort of composite. I can't remember what my other one was. I think it was a carbon fiber case, but not too bad. Be interesting to find out a little bit more on that. As you can see on wrist, I'm actually wearing that vintage Rolex Datejust that I got from Watchgang, as I was one of the Rolex winners. I still haven't had a chance to get that one looked at to get a little bit better idea on the value. I just wanted to get that one checked out. Haven't had a chance yet. There's the Chronologia on wrist. Not too bad. Pretty comfortable. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.